Do you know how to make your product stand out among competitors? Today, let's discuss how to leverage user-generated content, UGC, to increase your visibility. UGC refers to content created and shared by users, rather than content directly produced by a company or brand. This type of content can include videos, images, reviews, blog posts, social media posts, and more. Today, we will share a case study of a direct selling company that has achieved tremendous success by leveraging UGC. doTERRA, a company specializing in essential oils and wellness products, encourages customers and sales representatives to share their daily tips and health improvement stories using essential oils. Through these UGC contributions, doTERRA not only showcases the diverse uses of its products, but also builds a passionate and interactive community. This has successfully enhanced the brand's credibility and user engagement, attracting more potential customers and driving business growth. For our partners at Ship to the Moon, this case vividly demonstrates how UGC services can boost visibility and sales. By showcasing authentic customer experiences through UGC videos, you can not only increase product awareness, but also establish authenticity and trust for your brand. By choosing to use UGC services, you can save on advertising costs while developing your brand and creating a unique marketing strategy. Let's learn together, achieve success, and take your direct selling business to new heights.